It's Sicilian done Ybor style. We're here at Casa Santo Stefano, where we are behind the scenes before open to get a special demonstration of a favorite dish.
So today we're making spaghetti al Nero con Polpo, which means black spaghetti with octopus.
Chef Alessio Selleri starts with a sear on the octopus in Sicilian extra virgin olive oil over a medium heat.
So it's previously boiled in a bouillon and then grilled on wild cherry wood.
Chef adds shallots, garlic, and crushed red pepper.
We put the red crushed pepper in the oil, so again, it's more even, the spiciness.
A spicy base for yellow roasted tomatoes, pickled chili peppers, and Sicilian olives, along with parsley.
So we have the acidity of the tomato, and the spicy and the vinegary from the pickled peppers. So there's a lot going on flavor-wise.
Next, chef adds a white wine sauce with fresh clam juice.
So now we're just letting it simmer, so all the flavor combine.
Chef constructs the dish with squid ink pasta and tops it with fried breadcrumbs.
It used to be the cheese of the poor in Sicily.
And now for a taste, tentacles and all. I'm Virginia Johnson. We'll see you next time in the Chef's Kitchen.